We talk about millennials a lot as being the target from our ad campaign, but actually the small car market, really the consumers of that market are young people as well as more middle-aged or average-age people. So we will expect from a consumer base to have a broad range of people buying the vehicle. It's a very practical, fun, fuel-efficient vehicle that appeals really across the board. One thing we know about young people, and a lot of us not so young people also, is that they love their smartphones, and their smartphones go with them everywhere. So this vehicle has a Chevrolet MyLink radio, which is a 7-inch touchscreen radio that connects to your smartphone. So things that like internet radio, Pandora and Stitcher that you can listen to on your smartphone, you can listen to them through your car speakers and also use the radio and touchscreen to control it. So you don't have to fumble around and find your smartphone. You can do all the controls on the 7-inch screen. The other great new thing that this car offers is we'll offer a navigation app that consumers can purchase and download to their smartphone, and then they can actually use that navigation system through the touchscreen in the vehicle. So instead of buying a TomTom and putting it in the vehicle or paying $1,000 or so for an in-car navigation system, this is an extremely affordable way to get in-car navigation. And we think that'll appeal to young people and older people alike.